After months of teasing and leaks, the iPlay 70 Mini Ultra is finally here. And yes, it's landed in Germany. Even better, Alldocube dropped it with a whole buffet of discounts, bringing the price down to just 270 euro. Of course, I bought one after a deep existential reflection, lasting about 10 seconds. Do I need it? Absolutely not. But do I want it? You bet. Quick disclaimer before we dive in. I paid for all 3 tablets by myself, no sponsorships, no freebies, no secret emails from Alldocube. They didn't even like my tweets. Yeah, it's not true, I did not tweet it. I don't tweet. Everything in this video is my honest opinion, backed by benchmarks, experience and caffeine. Alright, let's go to the showdown. First up, the iPlay 50 Mini Pro, 8.4-inch IPS LCD, 9020 by 1200 resolution, running on the MediaTek Helio G99 with 2 Cortex-A76, 6 Cortex-A55, a Mali G57 GPU. Solid on paper, my personal highlight, it has 4G LTE, and that's not nothing. You can't buy the original Mini Pro anymore, but the upgraded Mini Pro NFE is still around. Same specs, white wine level 1 support for HD streaming, and dirt cheap, just 110 euros as of this video. Next, the successor, the iPlay 60 Mini Turbo. Same screen, same RAM, same storage, 8GB, 128GB UFS. So what changed? Just the heart of the machine. It now runs a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1. That's 4 Cortex-A78, 4 Cortex-A55 and the Adreno 710 GPU. Android 14 out of the box. Price just under 160 euros. That's 50 euro more than the Mini Pro, but it feels like a full generation leap. And now drum roll please, the iPlay 70 Mini Ultra. The name already screams, I'm better than you. And this time it might be right. You're looking at a bigger 8.8-inch 2.5K IPS screen with 144 Hz refresh rate, 12GB RAM, 256GB of storage. Sounds like an overkill? Wait. This thing is rocking a Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3, yes, a Cortex X4, paired with 4 Cortex-A720s, 3 Cortex-A55s, the Adreno 732 GPU, and a Hexagon NPU thrown in for AI goodness. It's absolutely madness on paper and on benchmark charts. Still running Android 14 though. Will it ever see Android 15? I wouldn't bet my cookies on it. But hey, surprises happen. Also worth noting, no SIM slot, no LTE, no 5G, which makes the humble iPlay Mini Pro the only one with mobile data. Funny how life works. Enough with the dry talk, let's throw some numbers. Geekbench 6 GPU test shockingly close between the Mini Pro and the Mini Turbo, but the Ultra comes in, takes their lunch money and walks off with their dignity. GPU score, same story, Adreno 732 is in a whole different weight class. AI benchmark, Geekbench AI, Mini Pro couldn't finish the QNN backend and the NNAPI wasn't available. Meanwhile, the Turbo put up the fight, but the Ultra Hexagon NPU just danced circles around it. It's not even close anymore. The AI race turned into a mercy rule situation. .3D Mark tests, I run Wildlife Unlimited and Slingshot Extreme, all Vulkan based, and spoiler, the Ultra wins again, like with style. So, what do we have here? The iPlay 70 Mini Ultra is a monster. It's 100 euro more than the Mini Turbo, but the performance difference is just as dramatic. But, do you need it? Let's be brutally honest. Watching YouTube won't get better. Netflix won't stream in higher quality even with 2.5K on 8.8 inches. Can you really see the pixels? I can't. Maybe you can. Maybe you have eagle eyes. But for most people, it's just a fancy number on the box. Still, the dual speakers are nice. If your dream is to annoy everyone in a quiet train with crisp, loud TikToks, the Ultra is your soulmate. Gaming, oh yeah, that's where the Ultra shines. It's also great for light video editing on the go. Creators, travelers, mobile warriors, this one's for you. But if you just want to binge some shows or doom scroll Reddit, the Turbo is enough. Even the Mini Pro was enough in 2023, now it's mid-25. Buying a tablet with a Helio G99 is like buying a diesel car for short city trips. Technically works, but why? If you see the Mini Pro under 80 euros and need something for your kid to break, maybe. Otherwise, pass. Hard pass. If you must go MediaTek, go to Dimensity. The 7300 is fine. I use it in my Unihertz Jelly Max and it does the job. End of MediaTek rant, back to the show. If you made it this far, you're a real one. Consider subscribing, let me know in the comments which tablet you choose or if you already have one. Any tests or comparisons you want to see on the iPlay 7mm Ultra? Drop it down below, I might make a video about it. Next episode, the camera showdown. Still debating if the Mini Pro should be invited? We will see. Thanks for watching, see you next time. Bye!